What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at the village of Water's Edge, and we're going to take a look at Eastport, the whole downtown area. We're going to take a look at. There is new construction in Water's Edge since the last time I've been down here, so we're going to take a swing around a lot of that. You can see this area. This is one of the first areas that they built out down here. And this is that northern area just south of Central Parkway, right on the other side of Central Parkway from Eastport. And right alongside Bexley Trail, that's where we're at right now. We're looking north, down Bexley Trail. You can see Eastport in the background. And a lot of the new homes coming in. This is south of the Well Point area that we looked at yesterday. A lot of framed out, I shouldn't say framed out homes, but the precast walls are up down here, and they have these two neighborhoods somewhat filled up and finished out. A lot of the infrastructure is being completed. Bexley Trail runs all the way down up into Middleton and past Moultrie Creek, and then runs up into Sawgrass Grove area in between Case and Hammock and Citrus Grove. So that runs right on the eastern side of Water's Edge. And then Water's Edge is south of Central Parkway and kind of like northeast of Marshman Trail. And that's the main area for Water's Edge. Bar Boulevard splits it right down the middle. And like the name kind of hints at, there's quite a bit of water in this area, and it's also south of Central Lake and Eastport. Obviously, you can see Eastport in the top left. We're going to take a closer look at that later in this video, like right now. So the Hotel Eastport, the developers, they just did a video on that they had they put in the last beam where they all signed it. I forget the ceremony that they called it, but some kind of top off or something like that. But they got the last beam in where they all signed it and put it in. So they said that's going to be speeding along quite a bit here. Now right here we're flying over the multi-purpose field that they have going in, and then you see the pickleball courts, the tennis courts. The sand courts are right beneath us, along with the basketball courts, and of course, the Farragut softball complex. 4 fields. It is, again, on the western side of Bexley Trail, right here, and you can see it's well underway. A lot of the grass isn't grown in, but it's looking good. I would assume that's a clubhouse right in the middle. That is in good standing. They have that pretty much done. The fields just need a little work, but it's been cold here, so a lot of the seating and things like that haven't taken place yet. I mean, they are taking hold. Obviously, the golf courses are being completed. If you've seen any of the Well Point video from yesterday, and they are constantly on the water to that. So this right here, Sunset Island overlooking the Eastport Hotel, and then you have the stage on the opposite side as well where live entertainment will be. Again, this hotel is called Hotel Eastport. You can see the dock. The boathouse is right here on the left, and then as we turn around you can see the shopping and dining. They are going to have a rooftop restaurant right on the corner overlooking the live entertainment and Sunset Island. That's kind of a big deal because FMK is actually taking that restaurant over. They did quite a few, or they own quite a few places in the villages, and they're actually, FMK is taking over McGrady's Pub in Sawgrass Grove as well. So that'll be interesting. They do a good job. This is the retail areas. The one we're flying over right now is Villages Health. Citizens First Bank is on the right bottom corner of your screen, and I'm not sure if we're going to make it to the golf car sales place. I believe we are. That one is different because they're going to have golf cars on the top of the building, they said. So pretty neat stuff. Here's the Hotel Eastport. Completely has all the metal bars and I don't know what you call them. Anyways, they said the restaurant's gonna have a gas station design, like a design from gas stations in the 50s. I'm kind of interested to see that. They put out the colors that they're going to be using as well. And then you can see Sunset Island also. This is a zoomed in shot of Sunset Island from pretty much the same area. You can also see the live entertainment stage there in the bottom right corner. I'm still interested to see if the live entertainment is going to face Sunset Square, Sunset Island, or if it's going to be the opposite way, facing us currently. That's just a long way to face a crowd, I feel like. And then this is looking south over Water's Edge and Shady Brook, towards Shady Brook and Moultrie Creek as well. You can see the construction over here from Water's Edge underway. They're finally putting some foundations in this area, and Shady Brook in the background there. And then you can see the rec center is over here, just on the other side of that tree, on the other side of Bar Boulevard. Bar Boulevard splits right through Water's Edge, and like I said, runs south. It goes into Shady Brook and Moultrie Creek, and that also goes in kind of like the south side of Middleton area by the baseball field for the high school. Sorry about my voice on these videos. I've been the week before the cruise, I got the flu and was sick the whole first week of Christmas break. I had steroids and stuff and was good on the cruise, and then came back, and yesterday I started getting sick again. So, here we are. And I have a 2-year-old, so that's the way it goes. You can see a lot of the new construction here. This is the kind of the eastern side of Shady Brook, just on the other side of Water's Edge. Once you get on the other side of the water there, that is Water's Edge. And again, Bexley Trail is on the right side of our screen, runs along the east side of the village and this little neighborhood here. I guess I shouldn't call it a little neighborhood. It's kind of a smaller neighborhood, I think. But if you look at it on the map, it kind of looks like it could be bigger than Shady Brook, or maybe about the same size. I mean, they all run together anyway, so. I don't know if you noticed, but you don't see any of those houses in this area yet, with the design from that well point area that I pointed out yesterday on the video. But you can see a lot of construction underway. I would give this area, I would say June, probably July, and most of this will be filled up and look like Shady Brook does now. They are really going after it in this area and also Well Point, and you know that they're going to meet in the middle, I'm sure. So this is a southern look from that side. You can see the expansive construction and how big this area really is going to be when they're done. They don't even have this stuff on the map yet. This is the eastern side of Bexley Trail. Not a map that I've seen anyway. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't, and I will see you in the next one.